Hello everyone, today we are doing flag command on HackTheBox. So let's get the IP address of the host and let's open it up. So it's a game and it's saying that you find yourself in the middle of a forest. So it says start to kick things off. So let's just do start. Let's see what happens. So we have 4 options. So let's do ls. So doesn't accept that. How about alert? Let's do some JavaScript. Well, yeah, JavaScript. Let's do alert. Let's just do that again. So let's do alert. Hi. And let's just see if will that go through. No, it doesn't accept. Maybe this. No. So what we could do is just have a look in the page source. So we have. Doesn't look like we have anything in the expector. It looks like just normal commands. Yeah, it doesn't look like it would take our commands at all. Looks like it has some input validation, which is a bit unlucky for us. And we have game.js. Nothing at all. We could have a look at the JavaScript. Well, the main.js file and see like there's anything here. We could go to network and let's reload this and see if we get anything. And I've already reloaded the page anyway, so we're already here. So we could click on net options and see where that would take us. So we get some commands here that secret. So I think this might be a secret key that would help us unlock the flag. So if we copy this, we might be able to put it in. We might be able to get the flag. So let's close our inspect element. So what we could do now is just press restart game and try it again. Just click start. So we have 4 options now. Maybe we can put this as one of the options and see. Yes, and we get the flag. And we've escaped the forest. And that is how you do the room.